I'm going to show you how to basically do a half kneeling windmill, and this is fantastic for stretching the front part of your hips, your hip flexors, your low back on the opposite side, and also gaining some mobility or preserving your mobility for your T-spine, your thoracic spine, which is right there. All right, so let's jump into it. Let me give you a side view. So as you can see, I'm half kneeling. That means my hip, my knee are actually stacked, including my shoulder, and my opposite leg is in front, and that's about a 90-degree angle. So from here, I'm going to ask you to pretend you have a ball, a soccer ball, over your head, over the skull. And from here, watch me slowly rotate to the leading leg. Hopefully you can hear me. Exhale. My right fist is going to touch the floor, and then opposing force, my left hand fingertips are reaching for the ceiling. And then from there, you can do jazz hands, you can do spirit fingers. I have to turn my head to let you hear the audio. But when you do this, you want to look up or look straight. And then I come back, inhale, smell the roses. Exhale, watch my fist go on to 10 reach. And as I'm doing this, I'm not allowing my left leg, knee to drop out to the side. I'm basically keeping it squared. So I'll give you a front view. Here's my soccer ball. Turn, right fist down, exhale, jazz hands, spirit fingers, whatever floats your boat. And you may be asking, hey, how long should I hold it for? 5 to 8 seconds, no more than that. Do it twice or 3 times for that same side, and then repeat on the other side. So that's about it. As with any exercises or stretches, if you feel discomfort or pain, stop. Let me know what you think. Post your comments and give this a try. You will be very surprised at how effective it is, and you may even be more surprised how good your mobility is. That's it. Thank you for your time.